Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix error 400 on YouTube. Simple and easy steps. Step 1. Understand error 400. Error 400 means a bad request usually caused by corrupted cache, account sync issues or network problems. It's easy to fix. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Open settings on your iPhone and make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data is turned on. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh the connection. Step 3. Close and reopen YouTube. Swipe up from the bottom and pause to open the app switcher. Next, find YouTube and swipe it up to close. Then open the app. Step 4. Log out and log back in. Tap your profile picture in YouTube app. Next step, sign out. Close the app. Then reopen it and sign back in. It refreshes your account connection. Step 5. Clear browser data. Go to the settings. Then go to the Safari. Scroll down. Then tap on Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear. This helps if YouTube links open through Safari. Step 6. Reset network settings. First go to the settings, then tap on General, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, choose Reset Network Settings, then reconnect to Wi-Fi and open YouTube again. And that's how you can fix YouTube error 400 on an iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.